14 degrees out here. We got the Cummins cleaned up and warming up. I'm going to use the tractor when I get back, so I might as well figure I'll make a nice little cold start video here. Yeah, the Cummins didn't care. We'll see what the Cummins. See that there? The door almost didn't even work. Like that was no problem. It took a, I did a second cycle of the glow plug. That's why we were waiting so long. I always do the auxiliary glow plug cycle, and you turn the key backwards. In this cold, at least I do. It's 13 degrees all night, so been that way for a couple of days now. Alright guys, we got the Cummins. Cummins is always good. It's got all the Banks goodies on it. Ain't that a nice sunrise? Got a nice sunrise going on there.